Dong, pagdali na diya, dong, kay manlakaw ta. And nakadress si Maring Queenie. Charing, ha. Ang laki ng tiyan natin dyan, Mars. Grabe yung kain namin, ah. Time check natin, mga Mars. Ay, alas 6 na. Grabe, naka-rest talaga kami. At alam niyo po ba, may kasama kami, mga Mars, na hindi ko din binabanggit sa inyo. And ito, ipapakita ko kung sino yung aming kasama. Come here, Nana. Wala, nakaterno pala kami ni Mixo. Naka-green. Hey! Hey, they are waiting na already. Here's, oh, here. Oh. Turn off natin yung ilaw dito sa CR kaya walang gumagamit. Ayan, at magsandal na ako. Punta kami ng shop, mga Mars. Bili ng dapat bilhin. Ay, Mikael! Mikael! Can you charge your iPad there? Ay, later. It's low back.
Bye, Bob.
Okay. Put it back. Okay, charge it there na. Umiwan na kami. Ay, saglit lang, may pagpaalam muna ako. Okay, ito, nilagyan kami ng ganito na tablecloth, mga Mars. Hindi naman namin ginagamit kayong papel. Mas nasanay kami sa tissue. Ito, ipaligpit ko na lang ito. Okay, that's good. You go out na. Nag-aantay na sila. Kawawa yung aking paa, Mars. Hindi man lang pedicure. Not now. Next time na ako magpa-pedicure. Nauna na yung kasama ko dun sa sasakyan, mga Mars. Ang ingay pala nitong ano ko, Mars, ang sandal ko. It's my revenge. Okay. Come here, anak. Oh. Alam nyo, Mars, kasi sino yung kasama ko? Yani is with us.
Yeah. Come to mama. Come to papa.
Dito si Yani, mga Mars, sumama sa amin. Uy, madilim pala.
Where is your...
Seatbelt.
Ah, I have wrong.
Okay, mag-seatbelt tayo kay nasanay kami doon sa Finland na mag-seatbelt, mga Mars. Punta lang kami ng mall. Bili kami ng dapat bilhin.
Yeah, that's
Mga inumin.
Okay.
You okay na, Mixo?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
Fox Skin Rocks.
Naka-green. Pati si Yani naka-green. You're wearing green. Are you wearing green?
Gray.
Gray. I thought green because me and Mixo also wearing
But my
green.
shirt is
Yeah,
maybe.
that's why.
The shorts are gray. We are family.
So we are the family and Marco is our bodyguard.
Yes, Marco is bodyguard, Mama is my wife. Shut up.
Siya yung nakaputi, kami naka-green, kaming tatlo.
Mixu is our boy.
That's our little boy.
Yeah.
Mars, ang daming pwedeng ibudol dito, Mars. Yung pagkain, natatakam na ako. Pero si Jollibee yung gusto kong kainin, mga Mars. Ayun, kita ko na si Jollibee. Mamaya na lang. Ha?
Do you need anything more than that card?
What card? Car,
What we came here to buy.
Okay, I remember, yeah.
Do you need anything else?
Maybe we buy first that.
And do
Piamo.
some grocery.
What we need? Shampoo?
Kailangan akong SD card, memory card.
There.
Dito na lang ta. Parang mga... Oo. Kailangan ko bumili ng sa taas. Sige. Yung ano pala, Mars, kailangan ko bumili ng SD card at card reader kay wala man akong dalang cellphone na pang-edit at nahihirapan ako mag-upload ng mga video sa cellphone kay from GoPro ang tagal. Look at the dog rakas. So big. Hey, yan the dog. So big. Pwede na pala ipasok ang aso sa loob ng mall. Doon lang sa ano yan? RDK sa to? RDK? Ay, wala na di ay na? Gi-close na? Kasama namin is Piamo ko, Bisaya ko. So at least Bisaya. Hindi ako nahirapan mag-Tagalog. Ay, dito sa vlog, nahirapan na ako sa kalisod mag-Tagalog. Next, so you're in Philippines again? Uy! Ang dumi-dumi ng ano mo, yung mukha mo. Kumain kasi to ng donut kanina, Mars. Bago kami umalis, akala ko malinis na yung mukha kaya pinunasan ko man to after kumain. May batang hindi magpapatalo. Gusto niya din bumili ng laruan.
Lentokone.
Lentokone.
Lento ko ni kina. Nagtampo mga Mars, iniwan ng tata yung kanyang eroplano. Ayan, sa airplane kasi kanina, binigyan siya ng toys, iniwan ng tata yung isang pakpak. Hey, don't go out! So, kailangan, bilhan mo siya ngayon. Uy, wag naman sana yung dinosaur.
On the airport.
Airplane. We need airplane. Airplane. Airplane or helicopter. What kind of...
Oh, katos.
Wow.
Oh,
Olisiko hieno?
which one do you want?
Kumpi olisi kivempi?
Se.
Tää.
Gusto niyo yung sininen?
Joo.
Yes.
Oo. No niin, Rita. Ei tarvitse enää ostaa enempää.
Voidaanko ottaa viina?
Ai. No niin, hei kysy toi. Hän haluaa vielä jotain.
Mitäs meinaa?
Ei dinosaur, se ei mahtu meidän matkalaukuun.
Kaupas.
Ota vaan se lentokone.
Joo, mutta mä voin kantaa.
Ala, gusto niya pa ng dinosaur mga Mars.
Ei tollasta
Ei iso
isoa voi
mahu
ottaa.
miksu millään.
Kulta, sulla on paljon noita jo.
Kotona.
Mutta mulla ei oo tota.
No ei sitä,
Ei niin, koska se on eri väri. Se on niin
Mitäs jos nyt
kamalan
otetaan
panes.
vaan toi ja katsotaan myöhemmin
Davaussakin
sitten
on.
nää?
Joo, dahi Davaussa.
Niin, Davaussakin on kauppa.
Ei, kulta.
Ei kaikkea kerralla.
Ei kerralla.
Joo.
Mm.
No niin.
Oot tyytyväinen nyt siihen, että saat
Joo.
Tyytyväinen.
siellä on muutakin
No niin.
jos tulee
Sulla on nyt
lentokone.
synttäri
Joo. Niin, emme ostetaan, jos jo kotele nyt.
Davaus sitten lisää.
Joo.
Joo.
Ayaw niya talaga magpatalo mga Mars. Di pwede kung ano yung gusto niya. Turo lang siya ng turo. Let's go. Let's pay it. Joo.
Pärjätään yksi päivä. Eikö pärjätä?
Bili kami ng karni mga Mars. Kay
Turhaan mä olen
naghuhumba.
Kalaukuun ei oo
Fabian ni Yani. Humba mga
kiva.
Mars.
Ostaako enemmän kato sitten Davausta?
Yo, itarbit si Iso. Bili din kami ng shampoo. Wala kami shampoo mga Mars. Oh, fresh. Fresh. Ay, na-miss ko yung ganito. Misa siyo.
Joo.
Liha, asyon. Puso. Doon tayo sa pork. Bili ako ng pork belly.
Aussie beef.
Oh, hei, se on halpa.
Joo.
Se on halpa.
Mikä se pitää olla?
Beef.
beef.
Porterhouse.
Joo.
T-bone steak. Se ei ole niin kallis liha ka.
Katsotaan sitten Davaussa.
Joo,
mitä
Davos.
Siellä grillataan.
Grillataan, joo.
Joo, varmaan
Siellä on se ja katson
Oi.
Missä?
Siellä katsoo terassi.
Joo, me mennään sinne. Ito yung pang humba mga Mars. Luto tayo ng humba. Wala sa mood yung aming mixo kay pagod na po to siya Mars. Kuya! Ano? Ano man to siya? Pork belly kuya. Ito oh. 1 kilo? Oo. Wag na lang po ikat, kuya. Oo. 1.5 na lang, kuya. Oo. 40 kilos, ano daw? Walang mas malaking, yung mas makapal na slice, kuya. Yan lang, no? Doon. Ayan, tigin ako doon, kuya. Yung makapal-kapal na hiwa. Hanap tayo doon. Yung mas makapal ang hiwa. Ano to? Pork lempo. Ito mas... Kuha ako dun.
Tarvitsee mitään muuta.
Tapos na kami dun sa meat. Sprite.
Mikä?
Sprite.
Right.
Hei, miksi oli jäätelö?
Jäätelö, joo.
Kuvaako se?
No niin. Kanina pa to Mars gustong gusto kumain ng ice cream. Okay.
Oh, yes.
Fine. Kanina pa to siya eh. Pagdating namin kay sobrang init. Ah, there is like that. I think he don't like that kind of ice cream. Hindi niya yan gusto yung mga ganyan na ice cream. Hey, here. Ito yung mga gusto niya. There is Oreo. You can climb. You can climb. There is also like this. Ay, sus naman to. Yung mga gusto niya wala dito. Like this.
Oho, se on hyvä.
Agoy. Problematic kami dito, Mars, yung aming alaga. Mitä haluat kulta? Sano nyt? Sano nyt? No ei ostitan.
Sitten jossain.
Yo. Ei ostitan.
Ai,
Ay, andun daw, meron na sa kabila. Mapili siya dito. Ah, hey, there is melona mansika.
Nyt on paljon.
How about that?
Mansika,
Oy,
yes.
mansika.
Ei
Okay,
vaan.
ostitan. Kolme. Ayan. Ano pa ba yung ibang flavor dito? Melon na brand. Masarap din to eh. Gusto ko to nung dati. Mango.
Mitä sumuta? Avaa.
Avaa.
May halwan to. Halwate ko.
Emikin.
Okay. Toi
Minä
riittää.
voisin ottaa yhden tollasen melon.
Otetaan sille sitten. Otetaan mansikan. Mikä
Ang daming ano oh, yung mga flavor na ganito. Mixo, there is also melon.
Otetaan tää mukille.
Do you want? Okay. Ala, sige, pili lang, pili. Maubos na yan, kasi sobrang init mga Mars. Okay, I'm done.
Sitten Sprite.
Sprite. Okay, Sprite tapos. Ayun na, tapos na kami mga Mars. And then, alak nilang dalawa. Yun lang yung kailangan namin dito. Nagsimula na po sila.
Noin.
Do you like the
It's good. Yeah. Good strong.
red horse? It's not strong, it's 8%.
Ei oo.
Marko.
6.7.
Ah,
Hei, jos
6.7.
tää kokki ei
Ah,
juo, se
okay.
joutuu. Otetaan 2 vielä. Katos, jos juokin meidän kahvia.
Joo.
Sitä.
Kuljettaja ja...
Kuljettaja
Joo, tässä on kaksi.
Joo.
Joo.
2 miehen.
Ayan.
Three
Niin.
each.
Yes.
Oh, noin.
Noin, very good chocolate.
Ja sait siellä sen Spritein jo.
Eh, Biela, kasi may menanton eh. Kuha kami ng Sprite mga Mars at dun sa pinakadulo yung Sprite. Misha, balik na kami sa bahay. Kung saan kami nagstay. Nabili na namin yung dapat naming bilhin mga Mars. Ang importante yung alak nila Mars para hindi sila mauhaw. Okay, Mixo, you sit down na. I will sit both you. Okay. Go, go, go. Wait, wait. Ito yung laruan niyo. Tignan natin yan dun sa bahay.
Oliko tää mihin?
Yes. I brought this. Like, if we are outside, we can...
Is it sun protection?
No.
What it is?
Like, alcohol.
To clean the hands?
Joo.
Joo, that's good. Onko siellä hyvässä?
Ayan, bumili ako ng maliit na alcohol mga Mars. Para yung nasa labas kami ba. Easy to spray. Kasi hindi pala ako nakabili nito sa Finland. Come here, I will help you.
I don't get it, I got it.
Okay. Ito na yung laruan niya. Ang eroplano talaga mga Mars. Ang eroplano. Di pwedeng di pwedeng dibilhan ng ano ngayon kay kasalanan man ng tatay. Iniwan yung isang pakpak doon sa eroplano. Hindi na check na natanggal pala doon sa eroplano. Iyak ng iyak kanina nung hinanap niya yung pakpak. Kay naalipungatan, and then yun yung hinanap niya, yung pakpak ng airplane. Wala man. So nagpromise ang tatay na bibilhan na lang bagong eroplano. Ayun, nabilhan nila. Sila dalawa ni Yani bumili niyan. Eh, ang bango nito. Gusto ko to. Gusto ko yung amoy niya. 99.99% germ kill. Finally!
Jollibee!
Jollibee! Diyan na si Jollibee mga Mars!
You've been waiting that more than a year.
Yeah, and now finally.
It comes fast.
Joo.
Finally. I can...
Odottavan aika on pitkä.
Joo. Oli tarkoitettu vuosi oltiin täällä. Sitä.
Hey, ang bango!
What's that? A sauce?
You missed
Gravy!
You missed the smaller poo-poo.
That's the mixu.
I think this is the French fries. Kaya nagsawa na yung mga kasama ko Mars ng rice. French fries,
Nice.
Yes.
ketchup,
Eli onks tää niinku mun ja Janin
yo.
puoliks? Tai siis share?
Ei enää mitään crispy. Se on crispy.
Ja kato kun
Hey,
kuljee.
this is the chicken. The red one is spicy and
Regular.
the regular is just fine.
Ah,
You.
okay.
Okay.
You eat spicy?
And you eat regular.
Yes.
Yes, and this is for mixo.
Mixu.
We have also chicken.
Chicken tonight.
I want burger.
I only one burger. Okay.
Ei kun hän kysyi.
Huh?
He asked, is the only burger for him.
You can also have chicken, of course.
Okay.
Yes.
I can get.
Tuo, katso.
Nyt on
Nyt on mama. See?
What it's a...
I'm getting so big.
I think mama is hungry.
Yeah, mama is very
No.
hungry. Ketchup.
Ketchup.
There is also ano anak.
And I think cola is for Mixu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we have
We have
some
our
drinks.
own
We
drinks.
have red sauce.
We have
We have the red
And mama
sauce.
have red sauce.
How about you? Your red sauce?
Rakas,
Of course, of course.
Cola.
Rakas, can you bring also mixo
What's that?
plate?
Plate.
Hot dog.
Yeah.
Really?
Do you want? You can try.
Yeah, of course.
Plate, Rakas, knife also. Ooh, this is
You missed that. You missed that.
Yes. And mixo, this is also yours.
Dessert?
Knife.
Nice.
Yo. Yanni want to try this
Hot dog.
Yeah, of
hot
course.
dog.
Okay.
Hot dog.
And open that for Mixu.
Okay.
Apple pie.
Apple pie. At lagyan natin si mixo mga Mars na
Apple pie. Apple pie.
gravy
Apple pie.
sauce. Yung mga kasama namin dito mga Mars, kumain na sila ng dinner. Tinanong ko kung ano yung gusto nila orderin sa Jollibee. Ayaw daw nila kay busog pa. Kami, hindi kasi kami nag-dinner pa. Nag-lunch ako kanina, alas 3 na, tapos sila alas 5.
I don't care to bring you any bigger.
Okay, yan can slice.
Slice you.
No, you slice. No worry. Akala ko dalawang french fries yung
Knock it out.
na-order
Yo.
ko sila. Order na french fries.
Ah,
That is so tasty yan.
really?
Yeah, try. Taste. The best. Yeah,
Really good.
it's really good.
Yeah.
It's very cheesy.
Yes. And sausage.
It's very tasty
Yeah.
also, the sausage.
Mm.
It's not just a normal
Mix one
jolly
also.
hot dog. Yes. Do you want the sausage? Sausage.
Hot dog.
Sausage na? Ha?
Yes.
Okay. I can give you small lang kay baka hindi niya rin maubos. Ah. Ito yung manok mo.
It's not the way. It's not the way I need you. It's not the way. It's not the way I need you.
Magligpit na kami Mars, nabusog kami. Sobrang busog namin sa Jollibee. Tummy is full.
Yes.
Very full.
Look my sexy body.
Sexy body. Maghugas ako ng
Pinoy,
pinagkainan namin. Pinoys, be aware. Why be aware yan eh? Ang ingay namin dito mga Mars. Hugasan ko lang to para wala na silang huhugasan ba kaya. Kami man ang kumain, so dapat ako din ang maglinis. Itong dalawang kasama ko mga Mars, ako kung ano-ano yung pinag-experimentuhan dyan. Ito itong nag-i-enjoy sila mga Mars. Medyo madilim yung ano natin dyan. Light. Ay, i-unbox ko pala maya Mars tong camera na binili natin sa Japan. Hindi ko pa na-unbox yun para magamit ko ba. Diba? Kaya yung ating camera nagluloko ang bilis. Mag-init mga Mars. Guys, pag may ano na, bagong camera, sana okay. Kailangan ko pa pag-aralan yun kung paano gamitin, paano i-download yung mga video niya. Sana easy lang ba, same sa GoPro. GoPro man din sana ang bibilhin ko, Mars. Yung papalit ko dito sa camera na nasira. Dahil ambisyoso tayo, ginaya ko si Ate Julie at si Kuya Kiro. Damay-damay, di ba? Kay una, si Kuya Kiro man yung nangdamay kay Ate Julie na mag-DJI. Hindi. Nadamay din ako sa kanila na mag-DJI na lang din. Kasi sabi nila, maganda daw yung DJI camera. At ang gusto ko doon, pwedeng lagyan ng microphone mga Mars. Dahil itong GoPro ko, mahirap siya lagyan ng microphone. Nagkuti-kuti na dyan ako dito, Mars. Ito kay painitan nila. Mag-init ako ng tubig kay simikso natin mga Mars. Liguan ko, pero dapat merong hot water. Wala naman kami sa Finland na automatic yung tubig dito na may hot. So, papainit muna ako ng tubig kay liguan ko yung aking mixo. Him to shower. And let's open my new camera. Let's open it kay nakalimutan ko na tong camera natin mga Mars. Nak, your dragon here oh. Ating DJI na microphone. Tapos uy. Ito ba yung resibo? Resibo sa ating camera. Ano ba itong pagubot dito? Ay, isave natin to kay hanapin to ni Mixo. Pwede niyan ibigay kay Ellen. Ito naman. Wala. So, where is Yanni?
Outside.
Okay. They already sleep, no?
Uncle knows. So. I'm just curious if they sell you empty box. No, actually they don't. They don't do that in Japan. Nice.
Where is the
Very good.
open?
Do you need something? Like small knife or something?
Yeah, I think so.
Because those are very sticky.
Yeah.
You don't need
Uy, DJI. Sana yung flashlight ko nito mga Mars magkasya. Yung dati kong flashlight na binili para sa aking GoPro, hindi ko man nagagamit yun. Sana merong lagayan nito. Pero I think si Ate Julie meron siyang flashlight.
I did not dare to bring you any picker.
This is fine.
It's okay.
This is it. Let's open it.
Olis pojat käsi? Ai niin.
Varmaan nukkuyo.
Joo, smokebasin.
Yung baso niya. Mga kasama namin dito mga Mars, mga tulog na kay napagod for sure. Una kasing dumating si Yanni kagabi mga Mars.
Mga Mars, mga
Dumating siya. What time you arrived yesterday? 9 o'clock?
No.
Or 10?
10. Actually, I was following that.
I think 10 ng gabi siya na naglan ng Manila mga Mars. Hindi ko lang
About 10.
maalala. About 10.
Yeah, about.
It was.
About 10.
I saw it. Like,
Tapos,
yeah.
nakauwi
That's
sila
why I
dito, natulog
messaged
sila.
you, like,
And I drive.
Anong oras na? Alas
Oh,
12.
yeah.
Then yung
sent me,
dating namin
like,
kaninang
some
umaga
before
ay
it
5:45. So, pagod din yung nag-drive sa amin kanina yung
They say
nagsundo.
that one is better than Coco.
Yo,
Really?
they say. Yo. That's why we need
Which
to,
I went.
Okay.
like, before I don't like DJI because of that first DJI I bought. But they said DJI now is much better than GoPro, so
Okay.
let's see.
And as you can see, it's camera like a GoPro
Yeah.
style. It's not that big.
It's waterproof.
Yeah, it's 20 meters.
When we go,
Yeah.
I'll go taking care of Miksu.
Let's see.
Let's see if he will do. There's also
Is that stick?
the stick also.
Yeah, there is plenty of those. Like
Oh,
as
that's
a
big.
This is
Oh, so long.
this is so long.
Nice pictures.
And it's not yet done. See?
Oh, that's our marketplace.
This is so
Touche.
nice.
So small, but like.
It will stand. Yeah. Nice.
It's
Really?
nice.
There is no like
Yeah,
Like
tripod.
feet.
Yeah, tripod. No.
no because my
And
GoPro
both
stand.
end is that, so you can add
Yes.
More.
something.
Is that magnet? Also.
That I don't know.
Really?
Where is iron? That's
There is no.
because that's
No.
No. It's just like you can add
Yeah.
something.
Then
Three,
this
what,
is
maybe?
our
Maybe, for example.
camera.
Okay, now we see the camera.
yes.
Oh, this is much smaller.
What?
This is much smaller. Yeah.
See the size. It is.
Yes.
See? Much smaller.
It's like
It's better.
two. No.
Not bad.
Voisi
And,
4K kuva. 4K.
yeah. And this is the
That's good.
cover.
Tää on uusi. Pitona.
This is the cover.
Nice.
Very nice.
With the cover it,
Yeah,
it
it-
makes a little bit bigger.
Yeah, of
Yeah.
course.
But then it is protected.
Yes.
Yeah.
How to...
I think you must.
Ah. Huh? Explore it, Yanni.
Ah, yes.
Explore it. I think you need to pull it.
Yeah. No.
Yeah.
No.
You make it wide.
Yeah, a little.
Ah, and then I put it.
Yes.
Yeah, and then you close it.
So let's try. Ah.
Yes. very
See?
good. And now you click.
Click it close.
Hey,
Yeah.
this is more like protective now because there is a case.
Yes.
Yeah, it is.
And if you put the case, it's just same
Yeah,
size.
same size.
Mhm.
Yes. Not much.
Same size.
Yo,
Yeah.
not bad. This is
Good.
lucky we have insurance, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like you don't need to worry. Hey, I did not notice that there is limit of the year.
What is?
Like the insurance, if the gadget or like something you break,
I don't have.
there is only like 3 years.
Depends.
Or it depends.
It depends.
Yeah, I don't
I never even heard of it.
I don't have.
I think I don't
Katsuta
have one.
karuta. Ah, so
No.
there is no limit. Like
Yeah, depends company and your.
Yeah, what
Yeah,
kind of
but
insurance
You have. Yeah.
I never heard.
Yeah, I don't have.
I don't remember.
Because if something happens, why people should continue paying?
Yeah.
If
only-
you already
Yes.
know
No
that
one.
they are not going to.
No one pay.
No one.
Ah.
I never even heard
Yeah.
anything like
No, I just heard. I don't remember from who,
that. Yeah.
but that's.
Sillä on varmaan huonompa sitten vakuutus.
Täällä on.
Joo.
Ah, and then there is
What's that?
battery.
Like,
3.
That's good.
it's like a cat.
Ah.
Because that is probably the most
Expensive.
expensive
Yes.
The
of course.
battery.
Battery
Yeah,
cost.
battery.
Please, that's nice.
That's
Yeah.
nice. And
And you can see the charging level
look.
on the car.
Yeah. When we go scuba diving.
Yes.
That's
So if you use this for scuba diving, no, we better use the
old one.
old
Yes.
one because I have the water case of this
I mean, you
GoPro.
have water
Yeah,
case.
we use
too.
We better.
Because
Yeah,
I
but
don't
never
dare.
know.
Let's
Never
not
know.
risk.
Yeah,
the
yes.
risk.
Yo,
Yeah.
may plan kasi kami mag-swimming mga Mars, so I don't.
But the size is really nice. on that.
Yes, I
Mutta se on
really.
valaita kuvassa.
Hey,
There's the whale.
no,
Paano
at
ba
least.
to eh?
at least
Eksperimentuhan
some
ko
ways
muna
you
itong mga
can
Mars.
see.
Oh, ano to? So saan kaya ilagay yung
Finish there.
camera niya? Ito, what's this? Ah, this is like another,
What?
like holder, maybe.
Yes, I think because
Look, it's magnet.
Yeah.
yeah, nice.
This is so
That name is
unbelievable.
Osmo Connection Action.
Ah, and then this is like this.
Yeah, selfie stick handle.
Tama ba?
You must maybe
Ah, not bad. I really like this combo.
Yeah, it's really
Hey.
like
it's really long.
Yeah,
It is. Since that size, that's
it's
Yeah.
very
When
nice
you are-
mga Mars.
we have
Example, high places. You
Yeah.
can put so
really
far away.
Yeah.
far away.
Nice.
Yeah.
Let's
I
experiment
think
this
it was
camera.
close to 2 meters. 180 something.
That was good in Japan.
Yeah,
You're
crossing.
that crossing.
Would be nice, like, from Japan, sa Japan mga Mars ba, yung Shibuya. Ito yung maganda. There's a lot of people use,
Yeah.
Yeah.
ayun. They're walking and then the camera is like,
Yeah.
they just like turn it.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Ito.
Nakita mo ito, nag-vlog-vlog ng mga karimaw mga Mars.
Let's take a white picture. How do I change?
Wala kayo dyan, eh. Paliguan ko na si Mixo mga Mars, kay matutulog na kami, alas 11 na. Dapat matulog na kami mga Mars, kay bukas nito. Maaga na naman kami gigising. Yan, ito na yung pinainit ko. May balde naman doon mga Mars. Okay, Mixo. I'll prepare your bath. Yes. Lagay tayo ng tubig dito. Ayan. Yes. But we don't have warm water from the faucet, so I need to do this.
We have cold water.
The water is already cold, but I need to put warm water. Dito lang muna yan. Dagdag ako. Grabe, ilaw ay. Para masyadong madilim. Ito. Ano nga to ha? Naguguluhan din malimay ninyo. Gulong-gulo. Gulong-gulo. Lagi na ng tiyan natin, Mars. Lang araw pa tayo dito. Ano man to? What is this? Shower? Ano to? Paano man to? Nag-ignorante. Hey, how to do this?
Be careful.
What?
How to do this?
Mixo, tuktan na.
Careful the bucket. There is already warm water.
There comes the water, and I
Okay.
think here you change where it comes. Let's try.
Up. I think it's up. Ayan. And then?
Hey, good here. Here.
Ah!
This is heat.
But it's not working, right?
Yo, it's not working.
Okay. Ah.
No, it's
ayan.
working like no matter what we do, it's the same.
Ah, ayan. So, dyan lang pala mga Mars. Yan, lagyan ko muna yan ng tubig. So, put Mixo here
Remove
para
this more further. It's always wet and
Ah,
it's
ito,
very
oh.
annoying.
kay fluffy kasi ito mga Mars. Yan. So, come here, Mixo. Liguan ko muna si
May I be first?
Mixo natin mga Mars para
May I
makatulog
be
na.
first, please? Oh, yeah.
Nagkakaproblema na kami, Mars, sa aming mga
But Mama.
charger.
Mama.
Are you happy?
But
that we
Mama.
are here? Yes?
What? But how about tomorrow? Not time which I wanted.
Hey, not you kapay ba? Request na naman, Mars, ng laruan, Mars. Nag-request na naman.
This is
Ay.
the last one what I want.
No, let's see tomorrow. But we don't promise. Kay iba ka. Pag sinabihan mo na bibilhan mo,
We don't
hindi ka
promise
titigalan. Hoy, Dong, I did not promise or even Easy Yakumi that we will buy you something. Only that airplane.
Yeah, but the airplane.
Kay
But I just
yung
wanted,
ano, Mars,
I just wanted the airplane. Not
Wag nun.
anything else.
yung kaniyang
Just the airplane.
gusto doon na dinosaur, gusto niya pabalikan bukas. Bakit hindi nagcha-charge to? Ayaw mag-charge nitong isa. Saan ba to siya? Hindi talaga siya nag-charge, Mars. Na problema kami sa aming mga charger, mga Mars. Na wala kaming mga adaptor. 3 lang yung dala naming adaptor. Ang dami naming gadget. Lalong-lalo na ako kasi may pang YouTube ako na camera. May pang YouTube ako na camera. Tapos yung cellphone na pang edit. Ang ginamit ko na pang edit ngayon, mga Mars, ay itong ibibigay ko sana sa kapatid ko. Merong luma si Marco na cellphone. Ito. Yan. Ibebenta niya sana to. Hiningi ko na lang sa pars natin na bigay ko na lang sa bunso naming kapatid ba. Pumayag naman siya. Kaya lang, hindi ko muna to maibibigay nowadays na andito ako sa Pilipinas kaya wala akong gagamitin. Siguro pag last day namin, papadala ko yan dun sa kanya para makuha nila ba. At ayan na nga, ready na. Chinarge ko na yung ating microphone. Ang cute ng ating microphone mga Mars. Ayan. Yung nabili namin na microphone. Sinubukan ko yan siya Mars and okay na okay siya. Maganda. Ito naman sa cellphone ko. Hoy!
Little Pokemon.
This little Pokemon. Sige daw, be. Sige daw, be. Show daw, be. Show daw.
When I jump here,
No.
I don't
We need that flat. Flat. Because I remembered I brought 2 of those. And you
Hey, did you check Niksu's backpack? We use it in Tokyo's airport.
I don't
I
know.
had it there on that when we charged.
Because
my
I have
phone.
one there. I found it
And I
something.
took it,
Ito oh, ayan. 3 na yung na-charge ko dyan. Ay, 4 na pala to mga Mars.
Mama,
Yung cellphone ko, iPad ni Mixon, then yung pang YouTube natin.
Mama,
Ikaw, kailan ka matatapos, anak?
Mama.
Oh,
Idag ko inaftalol mo hupas.
ha?
What
Ano?
did you say when I just jumped here?
Hmm?
What did you say when I just jumped here?
Ito, jump here.
Because look, I jumped
Do.
here to all the way here.
Hmm?
So what did you say when I landed?
You're just like a Spider-Man.
I'm not a Spider-Man. I'm a new type of. I'm a new type of dinosaur.
Ah, you're a dinosaur.
Yeah, but a new type.
Okay, okay. Oh, so, galit na siya mga Mars. Sige na, come here na. Where is, Popo is here, oh.
It has 3 legs.
Yeah, come here na kay, it's sleeping
And
time.
this kind of
Yeah,
head.
okay. Ay, naku po naman. Naku po. Yan, dito kaming dalawa mga Mars. Kay, yung ating,
I remember right.
in Mixos. I think, do you need?
No, not now.
Because I
If
think,
I can use one of those, I can put my phone.
because I think I'm okay now. I have my YouTube phone now.
Okay, okay. Then
My
it's fine.
camera need to charge.
No, I just need to charge my phone in somewhere.
Yeah.
But there is 3
3.
places,
Ayun,
so
may
I'm sure I can use that.
3 saksakan doon
No.
sa isang
but
ulo
how about
mga
this
Mars.
one? This is like my phone charger.
I think it's mine. I brought also mine like that.
You have blue like this?
Yes,
Where you buy it?
from you.
I really think it's mine.
From you. Ang dami naming problema sa mga charger mga Mars. Oy. Iba yung saksakan. Ito,
This
flat.
is one of mine.
Doon sa Finland, yung bilog yung saksakan namin.
Hey, it works, but I just need this end
Yo,
because it fits there. There is 2 C and 1 like B.
I don't need that.
Yeah.
I think I'm fine. I
Okay.
have also one for my cellphone. Okay, siguro matulog na tayo. Maybe we go to sleep na?
No.
Yes! It's too late already. I think mag-aalas 2 na mga Mars. Bigyan ko pa si Mixo ng vitamins. Ako mga Mars ay ready na matulog. So, i-end ko na po yung ating vlog. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa channel. Lamat sa mga bago pa lang po dito. Welcome po and please don't forget to subscribe and click notification bell para po updated ka sa ating next video. If nag-enjoy naman po kayo sa ating vlog today, please like, comment, and share this video. See you po sa next vlog. Good night po sa inyong lahat.